Why do jurors doubt an alibi in criminal cases? Imagine sitting in a courtroom, hearing someone claim they were somewhere else when a crime happened. You might wonder, can I trust that story? Jurors often doubt alibis for many reasons. First, if the defendant changes their story or if details don't match up, it raises red flags. People tend to believe consistent stories more than ones that keep shifting. Second, an alibi without proof or witnesses is weaker. If no one can back up the story, jurors might think it's just a lie. Third, witnesses who are close to the defendant, like family or friends, are seen as biased. Jurors question whether they might be protecting the defendant or giving false testimony. Fourth, prosecutors often challenge alibis by pointing out inconsistencies or flaws. They may ask tough questions or highlight contradictions to make the alibi seem less believable. Fifth, jurors are told they must decide if they have a reasonable doubt about guilt. If an alibi creates doubt, it can help the defendant. But if the alibi itself seems shaky or unconvincing, it might not be enough to prevent a guilty verdict. From a defense point of view, it's important to make sure the alibi is clear, supported by evidence, and consistent. Presenting witnesses who are independent and credible can make a big difference. Also, explaining how the alibi was verified helps jurors see it as trustworthy. Defense attorneys often prepare to address any doubts jurors might have about the alibi, making sure they understand why it's believable. In the end, jurors doubt alibis when they see inconsistencies, lack of proof, or potential bias. They want to be sure the defendant is innocent beyond a reasonable doubt, and a weak or unverified alibi can make that hard to believe. That's why solid evidence and clear stories are key in convincing jurors and winning cases.